I send these to some of these to Olivia? Alright. I've never seen that one before. Look.
That looks like it can land on the water.
It's a seaplane. Dad, look at this. Oh, nice. I think it is. Yeah.
You can see the front. You can see the front looks a lot different.
That's a plane. Or shut the plane off. Oh, you're fine. I think that's a seaplane.
Pretty sure.
What's back into that one look like, Mike? Oh, really? Jeez, I've never been in a plane like this one.
I haven't either.
I love to set me a flight simulator up like that.
Here, take a picture of me.
I don't know.
I want a picture of me.
I want to see this plane. I'm going to watch a video on this plane getting
Oh, no worries. We do the same thing.
I was just trying to get Ben to smile.
Where'd Dad go?
He's looking. It's okay.
It's over there now. I bet that's a seaplane. You know that? Might have one star here in a minute.
Look at this one. What's different about this? No, I'm not going to.
Where'd it go now?
It's going to circle around.
What motor is in that one? P-47 probably. I see. I could barely see the wing over top of that, over that hill.
It must be a land.
Look.
Yeah, he's getting ready to take off.
No, there's
He's
one.
got one coming in, so he's waiting on him to come in.
Yeah.
That's what he was waiting on.
I'm gonna post some of these on YouTube and stuff too.
There you go.
I probably,
Land.
yeah. I bet that's a glider. I think. Don't even hear it. You can't even hear it.
I bet you're right. There he goes.
Yep. No, that's a regular plane.
Over here.
Oh. Look.
Ooh, I like that one.
I do too. I like
That's
that.
nice.
I like that. There it comes. I think he must have
He's
had.
getting up to speed. He had
Yeah.
to wait for the other one to land. There he goes.
Look at the rudder moving. Look. Yeah, that's a seaplane here. It's like the one like that yellow one we see too. Here, Mom, look. can get in that glider. They let you get in. There comes one. I think. I think it's, yeah, it's landing. Can I get in the car too?
No, I think those are people that work.
No, they let you sit.
Okay, honey, I don't.
I'm probably too big to do that. Huh? There it comes. Look. I might buy a pen today for my hat too.
Okay, we need to get your money.
Look, I'm in here. There comes another one. Dang. Wonder what that one sounds like, maybe. You know that? I like that color. I like that blue and white. I like that. Here comes one. Good day to fly your plane too, isn't it? I'm having fun. You know that? That one, I think, in the air is probably. I think Alan's about to land or something. I think.
It's more like a helicopter.
Yeah, but it's a plane. I think it's a plane. Yeah, it's a plane about to land. Dang. Huh? How fast does the prop turn like that? Good gosh. Look. Thank you. Love you.
Love you too.
My very first air show. You know that? This belt looks nice.
Mm-hmm. It's perfect with that outfit.
Yeah, it does.
That whole outfit looks real nice on you, honey.
Right? What the? I think I just shut it down. I think I just heard it turn off. Where's the one that just landed?
Right there. Maybe going back up.
Probably somebody learning, maybe. You know that?
Yeah, I believe he's getting ready to go back up.
No? Ooh. Thought I just heard one start.
This one's coming down the wrong side.
That one. Dad, do they have the same planes on like this on Mountain Man?
Well, probably.
Marty's is yellow.
Run Sussman's.
Yeah, Zussman's. That is right, man. What kind of plane is that one? That's an older one.